The Around We Grow 4-in-1 Discovery Center has 4 modes of use to support baby's development and spark curiosity from 6 months through the toddler years. The modes include Walk Around Discovery Center, Activity Table, Art Table, and Floor Play. We'll show you how to detach the 360-degree walk-around feature for Discovery Center mode to transform the center into an activity table and then an art table. First, remove the center caterpillar toy by flipping the table over and squeezing the tabs with slots on the bottom beneath the caterpillar while lifting. Then, remove the toy stations by pushing the button beneath the outer edge of the table while pulling the toy section outward. Set the toy sections aside and remove the table base by pressing the tabs and twisting clockwise. Then, simply lift the seat and store it for later use. To reassemble the table for standing use with the toys, rotate the table base counterclockwise onto the stand so that it fits securely. Next, add the toy stations by sliding each one into place until you hear a click, which means it is secured. Lock the toys back into place by aligning the slots on the caterpillar toy to the center. If you're ready to transform the Discovery Center into an art table, again remove the caterpillar and the toy stations. With the table base still positioned in the middle of the stand, slide the smooth white sections of the art table into place until you hear a click for each toy station. Finally, align the slot on the blue center cap with the matching slot at the top central area of the table. Click the center cap into place and commence with creating masterpieces. If you have any further questions about assembly, call us at 1-800-230-8190.